Blessings, greetings. Welcome to Diane's channel. I'm here out in TEMA at the massive fish bay. I need to come and get some fish. And I started out very early, left home at the crack of dawn to get here, believing that I would be able to get fresh fish from the fishermen right off, the docks. And they said to me, not so, it's too early. They have the little tiny ones coming in. They look like what we call sprat in Jamaica. And a lot of the vendors tend to have the fish from ice that they are selling, lots of dried fish and dry fish around. I'm not interested in that, I really want to get some snapper. I want to try the cassava fish. And we'll see. So with that said, it's a lot of hours. I can't hang around here for so long, so I'm gonna head out and return because I really want the fish for this weekend, but it's busy. It's lots of activity here in this market. So when I return, I'm going to give you some footage on what Ghana's fish market in TEMA is all about. I'm accustomed, in Jamaica back in the day, I used to get up at the crack of dawn with one or two other peeps, and we would go out to the fish bay to get our fish. And we're talking heading out like at 4:30 in the morning, and no problem, but not so here in Ghana. What I want, how I want it, they say that will be available from those fishermen coming back in, and they do not return until you're talking anytime after 1:30. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I get, because they tell me I will definitely get what I'm looking for. So hold tight, right? Please like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Let us see. Thank you. God bless.